Hey everybody, what's going on? Brent here at the IX Center for the last day of the 2018 Progressive Insurance Mid-America Boat Show. Doors close at 6 p.m. tonight. We got 40 boats on display: fishing boats, pontoon boats, towboats, everything in the all brands as far as bow riders. I'm going to show you around real quick instead of just talking to you here. Check it out. So we've got our Lund fishing boat lineup over here. 10 fishing boats. We have 6 pontoon boats from Harris and Apex. Along this side we have bow rider boats from Bayliner as well as Yamaha. A few of our brand new Yamaha Wave Runners, starting with the EX edition all the way up to your SVHO, more sport performance. Let's take a walk over to the wake boats. Well, so here at our booth we have over 40 boats on display. Most of them all 2018 versions. A few 2017s do remain. But this isn't the only inventory we have. We have over 85 boats in inventory, new boats coming almost every other day, as well as your chance to pre-order and custom order boats for this upcoming summer. Summer's coming. It's January already. It'll be February, March, April, and pretty soon we're on the water for May. Here are our 4 brands for towboats. We have Moomba, Nautique. We have a Malibu sitting right over here, and Access on the other side. All new 2018 versions of these boats, your beautiful luxury towboats. New for 2018, we have the Moomba Max. What's your favorite feature for the Moomba Max?
Auto Wake 2.0.
There we go. Over here we have one of the Malibus, the LSV with a surf gate. Get that perfect wake every time. And the beautiful Monterey boats, open bow. We're proud again to have one of the largest booths at the IX Center for the show. An incredible inventory selection to help you, our customers, pick and figure out the exact brand that helps. It's going to help you have the most fun on the water. Here's our Yamaha AR240. One of the new jet boats. So if you're in the market for a new boat, just want to check out to see as far as what Buckeye has available for you, come on out to our store on State Road or check out our website, buckeyesportscenter.com. Again, we're here till 6 p.m. today at the IX Center. If you can't make it, don't worry. We're going to have a great selection in store for you in our new 8,000 square foot showroom. About 25 boats on display actually right now. So starting Monday, you can head over to the store and kind of check out our selection there. But 2018s are in stock. Come and check them out at Buckeye Sports Center. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.